Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to work a make one right purlwise. A make one right is an increase that slants towards the right, and to work it purlwise, we are going to work that stitch off of this bar right here. So to get into that bar, I'm going to take my left hand needle and bring it from the back of the work towards the front to scoop that bar onto it. So you can see this little bar that I've scooped up is slanting towards the right. It's going from the left towards the right. So you want to pick up that bar from the back towards the front. If you have trouble manipulating the left hand and the left needle, that way you can lift up the bar onto the right needle just to make sure your left needle enters it from behind and comes towards the front so that you have this rightwards slope there. Once you have that loop on the needle, you are going to purl it in the front with the right hand needle normally. So it's going to feel a little tight to get into that stitch because it's twisted around. That's intentional. We want that to happen. You're going to purl into that stitch. And that would be the make one right purlwise. So let's do another one together. So with my left hand needle, I'm going to pick up that bar from the back to the front. So my needle starts in the back, comes under the bar, and comes out in the front. And then I'm going to open up this stitch if I need to. I can swirl it a little forwards if it's hard to get into that stitch, but we're going down into the front of the stitch and purling regularly. Now I'll demonstrate in Continental knitting. So this is the bar we're going into. We're picking it up from the back towards the front. Make sure your yarn is in the front. Come down the front of that loop that you had just picked up and purl it regularly. And that's the make one purlwise right. So after you've made a make one right, it will look like this. On the front of the work on the right side, you will have a twisted stitch right here, each place that you did the make one right, and the right leg of the stitch is higher up than the left leg in that twist. So that's what makes it the right. The make one right. It slants towards the right. Happy knitting!